let's say you're studying engineering, seventh semester they just want to be hired. Why is that so? They just freak out if they just don't get hired in an interview. Dude, you're still studying. Try to understand that you haven't even figured it out. You haven't even figured out your life, and you just wanted to go work for someone else just for some minimum money. That is something horrible. That is something horrible that you need to understand. People need to understand that money is not really greater than happiness. Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Hey there, Sanjay here. When you just join for a course or a school or when you just start reading a life story, why do you really do that? It is because you need a guide. It is because you need someone to help you out. But to be true, the thing that I have understood is last year I have just read somewhere around 28 books, but this year I have just read about 12 books. Why is that so? Because I just clearly understood one particular thing in my life. What works for you doesn't work for me. This might be right for you or this might be wrong for you, but according to me this is right. You don't understand this, right? There might be different things and different opinion for everything according to every person in this entire world. What might work for you doesn't work for me, because your life is completely different and my life is completely different. There is no such thing called as right decision, wrong decision. You need to understand, you need to make different decisions in your life, and once you make hell lot of decisions, once you make more number of decisions, you figure it out which is right, which is wrong. Wrong decisions are nothing but lessons, right decisions are nothing but winning strategies. That is how you win in your life. Instead of that, people want to have a safety net below them. When they are still studying at let's say you're studying engineering, seventh semester they just want to be hired. Why is that so? They just freak out if they just don't get hired in an interview. Dude, you're still studying. Try to understand that you haven't even figured it out. You haven't even figured out your life, and you just wanted to go work for someone else just for some minimum money. That is something horrible. That is something horrible that you need to understand. People need to understand that money is not really greater than happiness. Money is never greater than happiness, guys. You need to make different decisions. What would happen max to max? You might be poor. You might tell me that, oh, you are so rich. No, I'm not really rich. I'm a middle class person. So you might tell me that I have come from a poor background. It's really hard for me to do what you really say. It's really hard for me to not to work for money. Until you work for money, the day until you work for money, you'll never get rich. The day you start working for your passion, the day you start working for free, or the day that you start working for improving your knowledge or the skill, that is the day when you start becoming rich in your life. That is how your life will be awesome. And start making decision, guys. There is no such thing called as right or wrong. Your lecturer said you that if you don't get hired in the seventh semester, your life is screwed up, you are dead. That is completely foolish. Your lecturer might have just been earning somewhere around 25,000, but you might just get hired in a company which is off campus, and you can earn somewhere around 1 lakh per month. Does that really means your lecturer is completely low and yours completely high? No, it's not really that. For your lecturer, 25,000 is really great, and that's really right for him. For you, that 25,000 at that particular time is really wrong. So what's right for you, you need to figure it out, and what's right or wrong for those people around you, you don't have to worry about it. So right for you is what you need more than right for the entire universe. Try working on that. I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you.